So right now you're looking at the SocialAds control panel. This is the dashboard. This is something that FBI can use to see the revenues that are coming in via the ads engine. This is assuming that all the advertisers actually pay online. If FBI manages all the advertisements, as long as they use our ad management system and also use the same financials, they can still get this dashboard to show up the correct data. So the key areas to look at right now are how the zones are set up. So as I have explained in the document, zones are basically areas on the devices that can be used to show the actual advertisements. So let's get into zones. So right now what I've done is that I have set up one single zone called as HD ads, which is a full screen zone. I have used a resolution of 1366 by 768. That's the full screen resolution of my own laptop. And this is one, I'm assuming that we are setting up one screen with a full screen ad. So this is that zone. And if you see here, let me just bring that up. So this is a sample I have set up as to how the full screen ad will end up showing. So this is a high resolution image ad that I have set up, and I have also set up rotation of the ads so that the ads automatically rotate after a certain time interval. And we can also have video ads being shown here as well as high resolution image ads. So as explained in the email, since our screens are pretty small, I'm basically assuming that we can use full screen ads, but if we want, we can also set up the zones such that the screen space is divided into more number of ads being shown at the same time. So let me just show you that example. So here you'll see that I have set up 3 additional zones. So this is a large shared media zone, which is a 1000 by 600 pixel advertisement space. In addition, there is a 160 by 600 tower ad, and there is also a text ad that I have put in. So I'll use these zones to demonstrate how we can use the screen space divided into 3 different zones. So here's that demo, and you'll see that 3 different ads are being shown here at a time. This is the large media zone, this is the tower ad shown on the right. At the same time, we are showing a text ad at the bottom. So don't go by the styling here. We can style it any way we want. We can divide the screen up into whatever sizes we want as well. And the ads can be set to auto rotate. Again, as I said, you can have GIF animations, flash animations, videos, as well as text coming up here. So there is a lot of flexibility from that perspective as well. So the screen that I'm showing you right now is the advertiser dashboard. So if we are doing full self-service advertising, then the advertiser can use this dashboard to create their advertisements, manage how their ads are being shown, also see the statistics. So let's see. Right now you'll see that I can see all my ads, all the zones under which my ads are being shown. So I've been running these HD ads for a while, so they should have quite a lot of stats logged against them. So you'll also see that this shows the overall stats of all the ads. And since most of our ads are display ads, we will not have any kind of clicks that are getting registered, but we'll have plenty of impressions. So let's take a look at this ad Sky HD, which has got 41 impressions. So I can go to the statistics panel and see what kind of stats I've been having. And I've been only running this demo for a couple of days, and that's why I see a spike. In a regular situation, it'll be quite a regular kind of a chart. And I can always use the calendar module here to see stats over a larger period of time. So that's how it works, and we also give an overall stat impression here of all the ads that they are being seen. And if I want to create a new ad, I can use the create ads flow to create a new advertisement. So what I'm going to do is I'm creating a new shared media zone ad. So right now I'm setting up an ad that has a click URL, but in our case we won't need it, so we can hide that portion. So this is the image ad I'm setting up. I'm just going to upload an image for this. So if a image of a non-standard resolution is uploaded, then we give them a warning saying that we will automatically resize it for the best possible effect. But if they upload of the same dimensions as we are recommending here, then they will have the best possible effect. So we also give them a demo of how the ad will look right here. It's a live preview. I can go on to the next portion. So I haven't set up any targeting right now, but once we have the live data coming in from the machine, we'll have plenty of targeting parameters that can be set up here. They can be demographic, geolocation based, plenty of targeting options can be made available. The next option is pricing. So since I'm an admin and basically I'm representing FBI here, I can set up an unlimited ad as well without any kind of control on how many impressions I'm paying for. But so that's what I'll do right now. But in case I want to buy a certain number of impressions, I can also do that. And each zone that we set up here can have its own pricing. So let me just show you an example of the HD ad. So you'll see that I can set up the image width or media width, so to say, width as well as height. If it's a text zone, then I can set up the title characters and description characters. I can also set price per impression and price per day. So I can choose to buy per day or per impression or per click. In our case, per click doesn't apply, so it will be either per impression or per day, so to say. So right now on the front end, what you're seeing is that once I enter the number of impressions that I want to buy, it will auto calculate the amount that I need to pay based on the pricing set for that zone in the backend. So if it's a full screen HD zone, you will price it much more typically than a shared ad space zone. So right now what I'm going to do is that just make an unlimited ad. So in case it was a real advertiser, he would have actually paid and checked out. So since it was a shared zone that I created, we should see it here. So I think this should be the one that I just created. So I can take a look at the ad preview as to how it will look. So this was the advertiser preview, and just so that we go over the actual ad display again, this what you're saying is the full screen advertisement that's been shown. This is the full screen zone. We can set the ads to auto rotate, as I said earlier. And I also have some demos, videos in this demo, but I have set up a lot of ads. So, and since we are randomly delivering them right now, not really targeting them, it will take a while for all the ads to show after rotating. And this was the shared zone again. So this is just a short demo of what social ads can do. The possibilities are virtually limitless. We can build the screens as we want and also target them as required.